Hello, and welcome to the Madhouse with your boy Jessie. Howdy, y'all. Now, I know what you might be thinking. What's this fella with a voice smoother than sweet tea doing talking about islands and jungles? Well, let me tell you, I'm just a simple American boy who found his second home right here in the beautiful Philippines. I've spent my fair share of time getting lost, getting found, learning a thing or two about making the most of this incredible country. And today, I'm gonna put on my teacher hat. Don't worry, it's a mighty comfortable one, and share everything I've learned with you fine folks. We're gonna make this simple, we're gonna make it fun, we're gonna make sure you come back with all your limbs and a whole bunch of good stories. Think of me as that one teacher who made learning feel less like a chore and more like a conversation over a cold drink on a hot day. I'm here to break down the big, sometimes scary idea of planning an outdoor trip into bite-sized, easy-to-chew pieces. So, grab a notebook, open your phone's notes, and get ready. We're about to plan the perfect Philippine adventure so you don't have to do all the head-scratching yourself. Alright, first things first on our grand adventure checklist, you gotta choose your destination. This sounds simple, but it's the most important decision you'll make. The Philippines ain't a one-size-fits-all kind of place. It's got a whole wardrobe of options. Mountains, sugar sand beaches, mysterious caves, and river canyons. The key is to match your energy. Don't go picking Mount Apo if your idea of a workout is walking to the fridge. Need peace and quiet? Try the smaller islands around Palawan or the Visayas. Craving a challenge with a soul-stealing view? The mountain provinces of Luzon might be calling your name. Water baby? Swim with turtles, see coral reefs in marine sanctuaries? Absolute magic. Pro tip from your boy Jessie. Talk to folks who live there. They'll point you to hidden gems, quiet sunsets, and the freshest seafood. Don't get overwhelmed. Just pick one. Remember, you can always come back. Choose the place that gives you butterflies. Trail, turquoise sea, or hammock for 3 days. Follow that feeling. That's your compass. Now that you've circled your dream spot, we gotta talk weather, the main character of any Philippine story. 2 big seasons, dry and wet. Dry season, roughly November to May, is your best friend. Sunny skies, calmer seas, trails that ain't turning into mudslides. Wet season, June to October, means heavy downpours, swollen rivers, tricky roads, and typhoons. Not the time for tiny boats or cliff hikes. But it ain't that simple. The archipelago's huge. Weather changes between islands and microclimates. Pick your spot and dates, then check a reliable forecast for that province. A week out, a few days out, right before you go. Beach lovers, check tides. That dreamy sandbar at low tide might vanish at high tide. Time your island hopping just right. A little planning lets you catch nature at its peak. Know when to head back before the sea swallows your path. Alright class, let's talk gear. Biggest mistake? Packing like you're moving in. Golden rule, pack light, pack smart. Every item should earn its place. This is an adventure, not a fashion show. Less weight equals more joy, especially halfway up a steep, sunny trail. Essentials: broken-in shoes. Do not debut brand new boots. Light rain jacket, sun hat, sunblock, reusable water bottle, and a small first aid kit. Include antiseptic wipes, bandages, blister treatment, maybe a pain reliever, headlamp or small flashlight with spare batteries. Day hikes sometimes turn to night. Lightweight dry bag saves your phone, wallet, and a spare shirt from rain or boat spray. Portable battery, offline maps, quick dry towel, and quick dry clothes. Lighter, breathable, dry fast. Stick to this and you'll carry that bag with a smile. Let's talk fuel. Plan your food and water like your trip depends on it, because it does. Carry more water than you think, 2 to 3 liters per person for a full hike in the heat, more for tough climbs. Drink regularly, not just when you're thirsty. Dehydration sneaks up fast. Food rules: simple, light, energy-dense. Nuts, dried fruit, granola bars, crackers. A mix of sweet and salty keeps you steady. For substance, a simple sandwich or peanut butter packets. No 4-course meals on the trail. Always pack a little extra. An emergency bar or nuts in case of delays or wrong turns. Remote trails. Bring a way to treat water, filter, or tablets, and refill from flowing clear sources. Multi-day trips. Consider a tiny stove and fuel. Morning coffee and hot noodles are morale magic. Use safely where permitted. Smart fueling keeps your adventure fun, not fuzzy. In the Philippines, travel is part of the adventure. Sometimes it takes longer than your map suggests. Patience is a virtue. You'll ride buses, jeepneys, tricycles, big ferries, and little outriggers called bangkas. Tourist hubs run smoother. Off the beaten path, expect delays, and stay flexible. Big ferries. Buy tickets a day or two early, especially in peak season. Small boats, hire at the pier. Agree on price and itinerary before leaving shore and confirm the day before. Jeepneys have set routes but no strict schedules. They often leave when they're full. Use tricycles for short hops. Agree on fare first. Ask a local for standard rates. Folks are happy to help. Leave buffers for flights and ferries. Rushing is the enemy of enjoyment. Embrace the slower pace. Look out the window and meet people. The journey shows you the real Philippines. We are guests in someone else's home. The foundation of being a good guest is respect. Many beautiful places are ancestral lands, protected areas, even sacred sites. Treat them with care. Follow local rules. Register if required, pay environmental fees, hire local guides where mandated. Guides keep you safe and share stories, history, plants, and animals you'd miss. Your fees support conservation and community. Be polite, pay fairly, and a small tip is a wonderful thank you. In villages and religious sites, dress modestly. Cover shoulders and knees. A sarong or scarf is easy respect. Ask permission before close-up photos. A smile and a simple gesture go a long way. Learn a few words. Salamat. Magandang umaga. Add a respectful po or opo with elders. Kindness is universal. A genuine smile and respect open more doors than anything else. The Philippines is wonderfully safe, but smart beats sorry. Always tell someone your plan, friend, guest house, family. Know basic first aid and how to clean and bandage a cut to prevent infection. Watch for heat exhaustion, dizziness, headache, nausea. Get shade, drink water, cool your skin. Be trail aware. Loose rocks, slick mud, steep edges deserve respect. Carry a whistle. 3 sharp blasts is a universal help signal. The tropical sun is no joke. Wear a hat, use high SPF sunblock, and reapply, especially after swims. Mosquitoes love dawn and dusk. Use repellent and wear light long sleeves and pants in the evening. Don't flash jewelry or cash. Keep phone and wallet secure. Bring a dry bag so your valuables stay with you in the water. Stash emergency cash separately. Aware and prepared means you can relax and enjoy the beauty around you. Final lesson, y'all. Leave no trace. And better yet, leave it a little better than you found it. Pack out everything. Wrappers, bottles, all of it. There ain't no trash fairies in the jungle. Skip the souvenirs from nature. Shells, coral, rocks belong where they are, part of a delicate ecosystem. Use reef-safe sunscreen and never stand on or touch coral. Float, watch, be amazed. Admire wildlife from a distance. Never feed wild animals. If everyone picked up a couple pieces of trash, our impact would be huge. A small thank you to a place giving you big joy. After your trip, share your photos and the message of responsible travel. Invite friends. Ask them to be mindful guests. If these tips helped, do your old teacher a favor. Like this video, subscribe for more simple guides, and tell me your favorite island or ask a question below. And as always, friends, know that you are valuable and you matter. God bless and peace.